Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made my very own battery-operated crystal fireworks chandelier. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used some clear plastic beads, some floral wire, zip ties, and I also used some of these LED battery-operated lights that I picked up from Walmart. These lights have an automatic timer, and I purchased 2 of them. I also used 2 19-inch metal rings. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use a strong adhesive and zip ties to adhere my battery packs in between my 2 metal rings. I'll remove these zip ties later. I'm only using them to help hold the battery pack in place until the strong adhesive dries. Once both battery packs were in place, I then used small zip ties to attach the wires along the outside perimeter of my metal rings. When I was done, I had something that looked like this. While my glue dried, I began making my faux crystal branches. To make each branch, I began by cutting 5 pieces of the wire. I then twisted the bottom to connect all 5 pieces, and then I added 3 beads to each of the wires. I did not do any measuring. Each wire piece was about 16 inches. I then continued to add my beads at different lengths to create each of my branches. I took my time with these, so over the next couple of days, I made 35 branches in total. I had hoped to make this project a bit easier by purchasing my branches, but I was only able to find these small branches to the right on Amazon. They came in bunches of 50 and they were $12, but as you can see, they were not the same size or quality as the branches that I made by hand. Once I had all of my branches, I began attaching them one by one to the top metal ring. I soon realized that I didn't need as much wire as I thought I would, so here I'm cutting some of the excess wire before attaching each of the branches. I'll let you know that I used both 24 and 26 gauge wire for this project, and I found that the 24 gauge wire worked best. I had hoped that the clear battery packs would not be as noticeable, but as you can see, the red batteries that I used for this project stuck out like a sore thumb. I'll show you how I fixed this a little bit later on in the video. Unfortunately, 35 branches was not enough, so I ended up making 15 more of the crystal branches. I made a total of 50 branches in total. And since I had already ordered these small branches from Amazon, I decided to add those as well. The wire on these branches was super thin, so I would not recommend them for this project. To hang my chandelier, I'm using some of this silver chain that I picked up from Joann's. Each of these chains is 60 inches and much longer than what I need, so I ended up opening up the links and making 4 smaller pieces for my project. To better conceal the batteries inside of my battery packs, I removed them from my metal rings and then I covered them with Dollar Tree diamond wrap. I re-glued both battery packs in between my metal rings without the battery pack cover until my glue completely dried. To hang my chandelier from the ceiling, I'm using a swag hook that I picked up from Home Depot for about $2. I wanted my chandelier to give off more light, so I decided to also add these white lights that I also picked up from Walmart. The battery packs for these white lights are the exact same as the lights I originally used, so I simply unraveled a small section of my crystal branches and I added the additional battery packs to my design. As you can see, these lights are much brighter. They were about half the cost of my original lights, and they also have a timer. In hindsight, I think that I would have used these lights instead. These lights appear to be blue because of the undertone, but they are definitely bright white lights in person. To complete the project, I extended out the wire branches just a bit to more resemble a firework chandelier. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, do you prefer white light or warm light? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!